let me do a task. These things here are used by the scientist to fix their machinery. So I'm gonna go ahead and break that. No, we can't use it. Oh, and look, I have a tentacle now because I'm getting kills and my bar is filling up. Okay, I need to do another task. Let's do another task. The bar is full. Oh no. Okay, this task, what is this? Oh, craft type. Easy. Easy. Did that give me another ability? Consume body. Oh gosh.
Get away.
What is that noise? What is that noise?
Get away.
What is that noise that he's making?
No. No.
What is that noise? What is that noise?